Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, February 1st, 2022. Whew, that's a tongue twister. Tuesday, February 1st, 2022. It's going to be a great Tuesday. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post attendance. Also, please keep in mind what Miss Linscomb mentioned yesterday during faculty meeting, that our attendance codes have changed. You are no longer able to, on the actual day of the absence, to code it as a UA. That is only available after the fact. So just make sure you are coding your absences accordingly. Also, make sure you have posted your attendance by 9 a.m. Also, please do not allow students to go to the restrooms after 2:40 unless it is an emergency. Library is going to be on its schedule today, and she's got some things also she's going to be coming around with. And Miss Farrell is still using the Collab Lab for testing. So if you need Miss Gibbs, then please shoot her an email, and she will also be having classes today, her regularly scheduled classes. So you may catch her in the hall if you need something there. Late duty today is Miss Peralta, tomorrow Miss Moore, Thursday Miss Everett, and Friday Miss Waller. Important dates. So all this week we are continuing to do the access training with Miss Farrell. Today, our 4th and 5th grade teachers have that ELA ACAP refresher PD. And also tomorrow, 4th and 5th grade teachers, lucky ducks, you get another one. So tomorrow is going to be that math ACAP review. So super useful information, 4th and 5th grade teachers. I know you're all looking forward to that. Wednesday, February 2nd will also be our data meetings during extended PE time. Monday, February 7th is going to be K through 2 PST. Tuesday, February 8th is going to be 3 through 5 PST. Wednesday, February 16th, mark your calendars. You're going to have some PD during extended PE time. We also have some important dates that are specific to the month of February. February, we have African American History Month. February 2nd, we have World Read Aloud Day. That is tomorrow. So make your plans for your awesome read aloud. I'm still available, just saying. February 7th through 11th is National School Counseling Week. So that's the week we will celebrate our school counselor. February 11th, we have International Day of Women and Girls in Science. February 17th, ooh, super excited for this one, Random Acts of Kindness Day. So be thinking of ways that you can randomly be kind to someone that day. Super excited about that. February 21 through 25 is Public Schools Week, and big star by this one, February 23rd is School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. Now, teachers, if you have not worked outside duty in a while and you have not seen our friends load up on the bus and know the big job our bus drivers have each afternoon and each morning, then stop by and watch because they have a big job and a lot of little friends that they are trying to get home safely, and that is a tough job to have every day. So February 23rd, School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. Mark your calendar. Try to appreciate somebody that day. Word of the day is vertex. The vertex is the point where the sides of a shape or angles meet. If you're talking about more than one, the plural version is the vertices. Okay, so it's where it makes a point on the 3D figure. Vertex. Also, plural is vertices. My 3rd, 4th, 5th graders, you need to know what this word is. So, vertex, vertices. It's where it makes a point or a corner. AR Superstars. These folks have already met their quarter goal. Woo-woo! Miss Bertolino's class, we have Dynasty Matthews and Jalen Shader. Miss Duberg's class, Araya Bird and Serena Pokes. Miss Heichman's class, Madison Dubose, Riley Petaway, Titus Shin, and Caitlin Zine. Miss Moore's class, Raylan Miller, and Miss Peralta's class, Terrell Woods. Also, in Miss Washam's class, we have Rowan Doe. In Miss Wolf's class, we have Michael Breer, Antoinette Quilar, Chloe Fair, Naomi Howell, and Kingston McAllen. Also, Miss Smith will be around with the AR cart this morning, and we have some new awesome prizes on the cart. So, that is exciting. That is all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, everybody. Think of something nice to say to someone today and go make somebody's day. Happy Tuesday, Shepherd Scholars.